Today, we will be making another after-school snack.
Meatball Lollipops!
So, are you ready to get started?
Yes!
But first, let's go wash our hands. So you will need some beef mince, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of mixed or Italian herbs, a half a cup of marinara sauce, a half cup of grated cheese. We will be using mozzarella, some oil for frying, and some skewers.
Now let's make yummy meatball lollipops.
Step 1. Add the meat with all of the ingredients to a large bowl and mix together. Every country makes meatballs differently. Step 2. Now using a tablespoon, put a spoonful of your meat mixture in your hand and roll this to create ball shapes.
I love to eat meatball lollipops after school.
What do you like eating after school? Comment below. Step 3. Add some oil to a frying or saucepan and allow this to heat. Then fry the meatballs until browned and cooked through. Be careful not to burn yourself when using the stove.
Ask Mommy for help.
Step 4. Once your meatballs have cooled, it's time to put the skewers in. Put your skewers into your meatballs to make the meatball lollipops.
Tomato sauce is my favorite. It's so delicious.
Super fun, easy, and delicious. Join us next time for more fun and delicious recipes. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Goodbye.